Did you ever wonder how the markets are being manipulated, regardless of the stock market or cryptocurrency market? And in case you want to know how a flash crash is being implemented just in order for you to believe that billions upon billions just got wiped out of the market, well then this video is for you, because today I will show you how I crashed a coin with a market cap of 2.7 million and a fully diluted market cap of 120 million. And it only took me a few minutes to crash the price by 13%. The biggest question, however, should be, how much money did it take me to push down the price 13%? You see, the simple calculation would be take the market cap 2.7 million times 13%. That would be approximately $351,000. Well, let me tell you, it was less than that. But I will reveal that in the end. So let's get started. I did this crash on the 20th of January, but just because it was so much fun, I did it again today. I will show you that in the end as well. Let's get on with it. I want to show you exactly what you are seeing here. Exactly what you are seeing here is what I want to show you. Because everybody refers to everything about being the retail investors or profit taking or all of that. No, it's not. So let's get straight into how I crashed it, but not a real crash, but I will let you know after what the volume was, because obviously it's a volume play, right? It has what they say, it has a market cap of 2. It's small. I mean, who am I, right? It's just to demonstrate 2.7 million. Fully diluted market cap, however, of 121 million, right? That sounds quite a lot. Obviously here it is only to demonstrate, but I'm still pretty happy because you will exactly understand how I could move a coin with market cap of 2.7 million. How much would I need? 20,000, 200,000, 50,000. Let me know down below. How much did I need to pull off this move that I did? Okay, so I prepared it here, and let's go through it and see what is going on. First, you can see the chart. Coin is called UHIVE. So you can see we start off here. It's at 22, down 1.7 for the day. We go in here, put in the first order, and try to make the chart bigger for you. Then let's see. Boom. I think you can see what happened there. It went down. Well, there's more to come. So, because we liked it so much the first time, why not do it a second time? Now, obviously here you can see I have to put in the price. Put in the amount that I want to sell, put in 25% or 50% here. The order has been placed, and you will see it should happen again. I gotta admit, it's not the best chart here that you can see, but you can see it pumping down. You'll get a better view in 1 or 2 minutes here. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing it myself, right? It's important that I keep lowering the price. Now, obviously, I know what price I want to offload my coins at here. Obviously, it's to show you guys, but I have been buying them at a higher price. Maybe I took a little bit loss, but remember, this is for educational purposes. So I don't think it's the best interface they have there. A little bit trouble with that platform there, but you get the point. So what I'm doing is I'm keep putting in sell orders in order to push it down, because obviously I can't get the price at the certain levels that I want. So I just have to try to push it with the volume. Now, in this instance here, I'm obviously a whale, right? I'm not a real whale at all. But when it came to this little show here, I'm the big whale. And why am I sharing this with you? It's simply because it's important that it's exactly the same way that it works with Bitcoin or Ethereum. Obviously, you need bigger, deeper pockets. But as you can see here, just enjoy it in the background. It's not different. It's really not different. And I did it alone, and it took me a few minutes. And that's what's going on. But anyway, let's see how much I could push it down. So I'm keep lowering the price. You can see now we are down 12.8%, right? Down 12.8%. Let's see if we can do more. Yep, 18% now. 18 for a very slight second. It was 18, but went back up to 12. Obviously, these are the bots that are coming in and pushing the price up. You can see very low volume compared to what I'm doing here. And yeah, trying to, there we go, we can see this is the damage basically that we're done. You want to try one more time and go in to see where's the amount of volume. So I go down all the way to 18 and then sell, and then you'll be able to push it further down. Then I go in to see in CoinMarketCap. Can you see anything? No. At the time, CoinMarketCap, obviously, not obviously, was to my great big disappointment, a little bit delayed. Here on a 1 minute chart, you can see it very clearly what happened. I mean, that looks not so bad. I'm gonna try to sell a bit more if we can. There was another candle there. I mean, it's very not good visuals, I have to say. So here, that was as far as I got it. Obviously looks impressive, but let's move on. So before we end, I want to let you know how much I actually spend on this crash. I hope this video also gave you some kind of value. I wanted to make it more exciting. I felt like, Mighty Mouse when I was doing it, but I understand looking at the video, well, I hope it brought you some kind of value. In case it did, then please hit like, smash, subscribe. But let's get on to what you want to know. As you can see here, so in order to crash the market or dump the price by 12.43%, or approximately 13% at the height, and I will show you here my account. So this is here, and right here you can see it's all on the 20th of January. It didn't even take me that many trades, but altogether $1,444. What was the amount that I had to sell the token for. I think none of you would have expected that it took so little. In case you did, well, then you're just a pro, and that's a good thing. But as I also said, because it was so much fun, I did it again today. I'm gonna scroll this video behind me a little faster, so not in order to lose too much of your time. So here we go. We can see, I mean, to you it looks the same, but it was this morning, the second. And I pumped it first, and then I dumped it. And it's pretty easy to see. So I'm just gonna, let you enjoy it. Not so much more to say, I think. There you can see, pump it. I dumped it. A simple thing. Yeah, I'm gonna say auf Wiedersehen, adieu, c'est la vie, arrivederci, and I'm gonna let you just watch this, in case you want, with a little bit of music.